everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the very last day of snowing through my minis in January. We are at day 31. Can't believe it. Happy Saturday, the weekend. Super excited about that. So we are just going to hop in. We are going to go and see what we can finish. And I probably will not put anything new in here. So if we do finish something, anything that's left, we'll probably roll over into another challenge to see what we can finish this today. And then if we don't have anything rolling over, money-wise, whatever's in here will just be in our February, which I haven't really named it. I don't know if it's loving our minis in February. Not sure. Okay, so yay! This is, oh my God, I can't believe we're here. It's our last day. And we're starting at number 1, so we can remove the paper clip that I laminated and cut out with scissors. All right, so let's get started. 2 for number 1. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited to figure out what's going to happen. 1, 2, and 3 for number 2. 1 and 2 for number 3. 2 for number 4, 2 for number 5, 2 for number 6, 2's the number for today. Oh, I jinxed it. 1 for number 7, 1 for number 8, 2 for number 9, 2 for number 10, and then I only have 2 left. And they're both going to number 1. All right. So I'm going to move some of this stuff out of the way to see what we can do. Let's figure out what we got for everything. All right, number 1. Number 1 got $1. And this one is from Norella's Budgets. So we have $25, $50, $75, $1. We are not close to finishing that one. But that is okay. I'm fine with all of these rolling over. Okay, 2 got 75 cents. And then this one is from Millennial Saver. And this was in her Valentine's box. So we can mark off 3 hearts. Our 3 hearts colored in there. This is appropriate to roll over into Valentine's month. All right, number 3 is getting 75 cents. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets, so 25, 50, and 75. Our little Christmas in Hogwarts, it kind of looks like. Ooh, $1 going into number 4. This one is from Financial Dreams with Christine. It is Teen Witch. I have to say it very slow or something else will come out of my mouth. All right, so 25, 50, 75, and $1. So we have 75 more cents, and that one would have been done. All right, number 5 got, $1.25. Oh my gosh, that's what we needed. Yay, we finished one. So 25, 50, 75, $1.25. This one is from the Budgeting Introvert. No rollover money, but we finished one perfectly. So I am not going to put a challenge in there. I'll come in with fresh challenges on Sunday. All right, this one got 50 cents. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. All right, and 25 cents is going into number 7. This one is from Heather at Saving Supermom, so we just get to do one little face, one little leaf. Okay. And then 25 cents going into number 8. And then this one is from Vicky Thinks, so we're just going to do one more circle. All right, 75 cents going into number 9. And that one needed $1.25, so we have 25, 50, and 75. So 50 more cents for that one. And then 10 got 50 cents. And this one is from Budget with Tiffany 26. So 25 and 50. All right, so we finished one. I'll take it. One more for the big count. All right, so we need $4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'll have a nice carryover into February, which will be good for finishing a bunch, maybe the first or second day, which is kind of exciting. All right, so now we're going to leave everything in there. And we're going to take out our money and our completed. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so we can put all of our money together there. And I already put it in here. Okay, say goodbye to the cute little binder. Everything will be removed and put into the new binder with the new decor for tomorrow's video. Brian's going to hang out with us while we figure out how many ones we finished. All right, so I'm going to do the count of these first because I'm pretty curious. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. All right, we didn't finish it quite as many as last time, but I know I came in with a little less money. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 55 challenges completed. That is amazing. So excited about that. Let's put that in the back. And I think I'm going to sort the money, count it, and then we'll mix it up and do the left, right, center. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40. Oops. I'm going to count it one more time. Yes. $208. I was hoping for over 175, and I'm super thrilled with being over 200, so $208. That's amazing. $208 and 55 challenges out of my stash. So now I think what we're going to do is a little left, right, center. And what I did not do is get out my left, right, center dice. So I will be right back. Okay, so I, of course, cannot find all of my left, right, center dice. So we are going to wing it. We're going to mix all this stuff up. Okay, so I'm going to roll one of these. If it is left, right, or center, L, R, or C, I'll put, let's roll a D. We'll roll my D5. That is not up on my website yet, but it will be soon. So it's a little bit bigger than like a regular size die. And it's 1, 3, 4, or 5, kind of easy to pick up. All right, so let's see how this will work. So nothing will get 1. Nothing will get 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4 for left. Oh, and I decided to go with haircut, shark binder, which I haven't really talked about, but I do have a binder that I've had ready to go for a long time, so I might put some money to that, and then just spending money. So right is getting 3. Right is getting 2. Left is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, this is fun. Center is getting literally $2. That's kind of sad. Nothing. Right is getting 4, 3, and 4. Center is getting 2. Oh, missed the 20. Left is getting 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right is getting 1. 1, 2, and 3 for left. One, 2, 3, and 4 for the center. Thank goodness. 1, 2, 3, and 4 for center. Now it's coming. 1 and 2 for left, and then I'm just going to put the last 3 on 5 or on the right because I feel like that might need it. All right, so let's see what we are doing. So right is spending money. All right, so right got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41. So spending money got 41. Let's do... All right, and then center, which is going to be my shark binder, I'm super happy it got a 20. So we have 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 71, 2, and 3. Ooh, that's exciting. It had a nice comeback. So 73. Coco, hush. Coco. Okay, Coco's barking because Daddy just got home from running errands. All right, so we have 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 91, 2, 3, 4, $94. That's amazing. That's almost what I need for a haircut. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Now you can see what I was doing. So we got 94 for the haircut, 73 for the shark binder, and 41 for my wallet, a little spending money. And that's it. Thank you guys for hanging out with me for my January snowing through my minis. I can't believe tomorrow's February, but come back tomorrow and join me on maybe loving my minis in February. So fingers crossed, I'll have a new setup for my binder. I'll bring $7 again. This was so much fun. Let me know what you saved, and don't feel bad if you didn't save this much. Any amount you saved is awesome. And any amount you got out of your stash is also awesome. So just enjoy the fact of wherever you are in your journey that you're doing fantastic. So until next time, tomorrow, take care. Bye.